All right, guys, you know, recently I've been picking up a bunch of grails, but this one right here is one that I remember like it was yesterday. Probably one of the most controversial sneaker releases in a while. The raffle was cooked. That was definitely backdoor. And I want you guys to stick through the entire video. We're going to unbox these things together. And I got a couple of grails over here, so hopefully this is the right one. Let's get into today's video, man. Yo, like I said in the intro, we got some grails, man. And again, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Yesterday, y'all went crazy in the comments for the Air Jordan 13 Cherries. There was a lot of interaction, a lot of comments. And again, my point for that whole video was buy what you like. Just because something does not sell out, don't make it, you know, not a coppable sneaker. Buy what you like, bro. If it's sitting, it's sitting. If it ain't, it ain't. And don't let nobody persuade you to get something, especially if it sells out. Like, that's like the whole thing, right? Something sells out, everybody and their mama wants it all of a sudden. And so many sneakers I can't point out that has happened to recently, but I ain't gonna do y'all like that. But again, buy what you like. If you guys are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, make sure you guys run and them likes up, because every single like counts. And so YouTube, you guys enjoying the content, and swipe over and hype the video up, bro. It'll be greatly appreciated. And without further ado, man, let's go ahead and get into another Grail unboxing. All right, again, like I said, bro, this one right here is one that a lot of people was frustrated about. A lot of people were mad and salty because, let's be honest, these were definitely backdoored. I was seeing so many stuff in the background and in the behind the scenes of people actually going to this person's house and buying these sneakers up, like, you know, cashing out $10, $15, $20,000 for a certain amount. And yeah, we got the right package. We got the right package. And real quick, bro, real quick, we go ahead and slow roll this. We got to slow roll it, man, because again, I have been wanting this pair for forever. Not that I couldn't afford it back then. I just didn't want to pay that much money for them. But with me selling a lot of sneakers out of my collection, I kind of, you know, reached in the bag a little bit, you know what I'm saying, and went and got some of these Grail sneakers that I always wanted. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it, bro. Let's get into it. Once I show you out of the box, y'all should know exactly what we have. And they looking clean, bro. The box looking all right. Something I had an issue with GOAT recently was my off-white Air Jordan 1 box being damaged. It's old, and now I'm looking at this one. I'm recording it live. I'm not even gonna edit it. You guys can see the box. Y'all see the box. Y'all should know what we got. But again, bro, like, I don't know what's up with the packages coming from the GOAT app. Like, why my stuff always gotta have some type of a damage to it? Like, all these girls I want been messed up recently with GOAT, but I guess it is what it is. I'm gonna hit them up again so I get some more GOAT credit. But without further ado, you guys should know what we got, man. The official color reads Air Jordan Retro High OGSP, white, black, varsity red, and sale. And I got a personal size 9.5. These is going on feet, bro. I promise you. These going on feet sooner than y'all probably expect. And let's flip the lid open. You guys can see what we got, bro. We got some trophy room, guys. In, man. We got the trophy rooms in. GOAT card. Y'all know, bro. I got like this weird love-hate relationship with GOAT right now. Again, like I told you, I did keep my UNC ones, took the $50 GOAT credit. Maybe I can get some extra GOAT credit for this one. I'm recording this live. I might have to send this video to them so they know it's me. It's the vintage. But yeah, let's go ahead and see them. Yes, sir. I cannot believe I have this sneaker right now, bro. Check it out. We have the Air Jordan 1 trophy rooms, and they look so much better in person. And these got the glitter effect on them, huh? They got the glitter on the ankle portion of the Air Jordan ones. And I did get something special, bro. Hold on, let me check out this real quick. Yes, sir. Got the little, I think it's supposed to be like a ticket or something. It's supposed to be a ticket, yeah, something like that, to get into the game. And I got something special with these, bro. I'm looking for it. I got it. It is here, man. It is here. It's not the regular trophy rooms. It's the blue lace trophy room Air Jordan 1s. And I'll be discrediting the sneaker if I did not throw the blue laces in there. These blue laces right here had sparked so much controversy. And shouts out to Rafi. I hope you're watching this one right here. The blue laces was a whole separate time in the sneaker community, which was needed. It was needed in the community, bro. But on top of the blue laces you did get with these trophy rooms, you also got a pair of white and red, and they come equipped in the black laces. And yeah, man, I'm excited, bro. Finally got the trophy rooms again. I wanted these for so long. I was like, bro, I'm not spending $800-900 on these shoes. But yeah, now we got it, bro. We got the kicks. And then on the inside, you guys know how it come. I'm not gonna do like a full review. Y'all seen these so many times, but they got rumor has it on the inside over here. I think over here it says something a little different. Actually, it says the same thing. Rumor has it on both of the sock liner of these Air Jordan 1s. And yeah, I think it's like some glitter. Yeah, I just kind of wiped it off. It's glitter all around here on the ankle portion. Of course, it came with that like crystallized look around the entire Air Jordan 1. These chucks is cold, man. They are super cold. And yeah, I'm going to show you the outsoles. You guys seen them 100 times, but again, it's always dope to see, you know, what Grails people are copying. So like, you know what, let me just bring you guys along the journey, show y'all what I have been, you know, picking up personally after, you know, letting go almost 300 pairs. I've only picked up about, you know, a solid 4 or 5 Grail pickups that were much needed in my opinion in the collection that I want to get some dope fits out of and just have in the sneaker collection, because the sneaker collection is started all the way over, bro. We only got like 60 pairs of shoes right now, which is crazy. And this year we have reached inside that Grail bag and picked up a lot of those ones that, you know, I grew up always wanted, and this was one of the most recent ones. Like, you know what I'm saying, these, the Travis Scotts and the UNC Off-Whites all kind of released a minute ago. So I'm gonna have to get those wears out of them now. You guys know how it go. You can't keep these things forever. They're going to deteriorate and they ain't gonna stay sturdy forever. So you got to rock your kicks. But I'm super excited. You guys let me know in the comment section how y'all feeling about these things. Was this a solid Grail pickup? Do you consider these a Grail? Or you know, kind of where y'all put these at, you know, ranking them in terms of, you know, Grail statuses, trophy room. Like, is this one of the best trophy rooms? Me personally, I think it is. Next will probably be the all blue, I think like the icy blue Air Jordan 5 trophy rooms are really, really cool. I like those. If those do come back out, I would love to get them. And yeah, bro, we got the pack in. And I have been sitting on this pair for forever, but I'm like, you know what? Let's just go ahead, go to the sneaker room and unbox these things and show y'all what I have picked up, because they came crispy, man. I needed them, bro. I needed to have them. And again, not the regular trophy rooms. We got the blue laces with these guys right here. So I'm excited, bro. Smiling ear to ear. We're gonna have to throw these things on feet soon, get a dope fit. And yeah, y'all gonna see some crazy vlogs coming soon. Trust and believe me. So yeah, guys, that is my Grail pickup. Another Air Jordan 1. I love ones. And I just feel like, you know, with those collabs like Trophy Room, Travis Scott, Off-White, I just need to have something from each one, you know what I'm saying? And I'm still going back and kind of prioritizing what I do want to get, so you stay tuned for some unboxings. I got one more Grail unboxing, then we got some other stuff to unbox that kind of released this year that I reached back and grabbed. So make sure you got the notification bell on so you don't miss out on that content, and sub up so you can see more content like this. We got some more, bro. We got some more dope content, some more early looks. And if you guys have not seen some of the early looks we have on the channel, like the Air Jordan 14 UNCs and the Air Jordan 4 Toro Bravos, make sure you tapped in, man. And while I got everybody here, I need you to go ahead and comment down below, what is the #1 Grail sticker you do have currently on your list? I literally have a note section in my phone where I'm like, you know, Grails, and I got like a list of 17 sneakers, bro. 17 sneakers that I really want to go back and get. And the #1 one right now, which I'm probably giving away because I told you I got another Grail unboxing, is the DB foams, which I didn't buy yet, but it's #1 on the list for me to go back and snag. And they cost so much money, bro. Why are the DB foams going for $1,400-1,300, bro? Like, yo, if I got a size 9.5, hey, work with your boy, man. Again, man, I appreciate you guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell, run them likes up, and hype the video up. It'd be greatly appreciated. And with all that's been said, man, we gonna have these trophy rooms. We're gonna check them out, and yeah, we're gonna admire these for a while. Hey, I'm super excited, y'all. Get to the next one, man. Peace.